How to set working days in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set working days for your team in monday.com. It's gonna be very easy. So for the settings, it's gonna, apply to all of your workspace here, all of your workspace, all of your boards. So yeah, you have to understand this first. So first you can open your monday.com dashboard and then go to your profile here, the settings here. As you can see the icon, you can click it in the top right corner. And then these are the menus. You can see there are a lot of them and you can go ahead to administration here. And on the left side here, there is general and then profile, account and work schedule. You can click work schedule. And as you can see, this is the schedule that I have. So you will gonna find all of your schedule here. And my schedule, you have the name and the default and also the working days here. And also you can see the assign to who. And let's say I want to add new one, you can click add a schedule here. And then as you can see, you can choose the working days you want to add. Let's say you want to add Saturday, so you can just click it or uncheck it if you don't want. So let's say I want, and you can also set the time, the work time, it's up to you. So let's say this is the what I want. So and then you can just click next here, and then you can choose the time, let's say I'm gonna click next, and after that you can assign to a teams. You can choose the team. So in my case I don't have team yet, so yeah, I cannot. So I'm gonna choose assign later and finish, and it's success. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.